Hey cuties, it's your girl Kpcutie with another video today. I gotta get from this music. I don't want to get copyrighted, but it's another video and I'm vlogging by the camera. So yeah, I want you guys to go ahead before we get into this video. I want you to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my vlogs and my
Cause I can. Get over it.
You don't got my permission either.
Oh, you send me?
You gonna pay me? I'm gonna make your channel lit, so you better pay me.
Oh, come on. Get out of here.
Girl, I made that channel lit. That's
I
right.
know you're lying.
Okay.
You even know you're lying. Look at you.
He's king of the roaches. And you are their princess.
So anyway. Okay, first of all. Alright, this is her. Are you done eating or are you gonna keep eating?
I'm trying to eat, but I'm trying to save it.
Yeah, okay.
So when it's midnight, I can, or not midnight, when it's late.
Midnight. No, midnight's like 3 o'clock in the morning. Anyways.
So you can
So
talk.
this is her, basically her aftermath of
I'm
her
sure she
food.
ain't talking.
This is I am talking. I don't eat 3 o'clock in the
You
morning.
can't talk. What?
I don't eat 3 o'clock in the morning.
I'm saying when it's
I
late
ate
at
12. I ate 12 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah,
That's the latest I got.
When you had to go get your brother, I'm gonna eat my food.
Anyway.
But I don't know how much food.
I straight up went to bed last night.
You did.
Yeah, I set the timer. You went in the shower. I was like, I'm gonna stay up. I'm gonna stay up while she's in the shower. I went to sleep immediately. And I woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I stayed up for like 30 minutes. And then I went back to sleep. I woke up at 6. Stayed up for like 10 minutes. Went back to sleep. No, I stayed up. No, I woke up at
I don't do
5.
none of that.
I woke up at 5 and I stayed up until 7. And I was debating if whether I should go downstairs to go wake mommy up to go get the hair and stuff like that. But then I was like, nah, I'm gonna just let her wake up on her own time, because usually if we wake her up, it's not the best thing.
Shoot, if you thought about it too many times, you might as well do it.
Yeah, I know. That's what I realized this morning. I was like, you know what, I should just do that. Anyways,
Because I was debating whether to go downstairs the other day, but I'm like, I might as well just go out down there. And then I seen you guys was cleaning.
I woke up at 5, stayed up to 7, went back to sleep, and then I woke up at 8, and I've been up since 8. So this is her pretty much after.
Is it good?
After eating, she's full. So full.
No baby pouch, not this time. You got kangaroo food.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You didn't even wipe your utensil.
Would you shut up? But take that back. Let me push out this chair.
Okay, anyways, this is my drink.
I don't drink a drink.
Stop. These are my drinks. She drank all of hers.
About to be finished.
The only reason I didn't drink that much is because we're going to go to Walmart and I don't want to have to pee while we're in Walmart. Oh, wait, Walmart's like right down there. Yeah, it's right down there.
Down the street.
We're going to be fine because I ain't got to pee that. Wait. No, because I haven't been pee in like 5 minutes.
Go use the bathroom.
This is what is this called?
Artichoke.
No,
spinach
what is
dip.
this? What is this plate called?
I don't know what that plate called.
Prep meal? Not prep
What's
meal.
it called? Tray. It looks like a tray.
Entree.
Entree. Not entryway. Entree.
Whatever. Anyways, this is before you get to your
You
food
don't know your food?
meal. Then this is her food, my food. Okay.
Oh,
We're
she
gonna
got
go to
wood
Walmart.
because she's hard-headed.
No, it's because the plate's hot. Anyways.
Don't
Take it personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me,
touch me.
faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't let me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus.
How you started?
I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to